In this video, I'm going to be comparing AutoCAD versus Fusion 360 versus SketchUp. What is the best CAD tool? So choosing the right CAD software depends on your specific needs, be it architectural design, mechanical engineering, or 3D modeling. Let's explore AutoCAD, Fusion 360, and SketchUp to help you decide which suits you best. Okay, so AutoCAD is developed by Autodesk. It is a professional grade software renowned for its precision in 2D drafting and 3D modeling. Some of the key features: 2D drafting and 3D modeling. It's ideal for creating detailed architectural and engineer drawings. Industry specific tool sets. Offers specialized tool sets for architecture, electrical design, and more. Cross platform compatibility, available Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. This is best for architects, engineers, and professionals require detailed technical drawings. Alright, now Fusion 360. Also from Autodesk, Fusion 360 is a cloud-based 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool that integrates design, engineering, and manufacturing into a single platform. Some of the key features: parametric modeling allows for easy adjustments and iterations of designs. Simulation and analysis, so perform stress tests and motion studies within the software. Collaboration tools, cloud-based platform enables real-time collaboration and version control. This is best for product designers, mechanical engineers, and teams requiring integrated workflows. SketchUp, owned by Trimble. SketchUp is known for its user-friendly interface, making 3D modeling accessible to beginners and professionals alike. Some of the key features: intuitive modeling, drag and drop functionality simplifies the design process. 3D warehouse, access a vast library of pre-made models and to expedite your products. Extensions and plugins, customize your workflow with a variety of add-ons. This is best for architects, interior designers, and hobbyists focusing on conceptual designs. Alright, so choose AutoCAD if you need precise 2D drafting and detailed technical drawings. Opt for Fusion 360 for an all-in-one solution that combines design, simulation, and manufacturing. Go with SketchUp for intuitive 3D modeling, especially if focusing on architectural interior design. So each of these tools offers unique strengths tailored to different aspects of design and engineering. Consider your project requirement and workflow preferences when making your choice.